Welcome to Police Chases Unleashed, where the thrill of police chases, shocking shootouts, and heart-pounding action always awaits you. Georgia State Patrol helped East Point Police capture a suspect with multiple felony warrants driving a stolen Jeep. A high-speed chase began as police were determined to apprehend the dangerous offender. The pursuit escalated with high-stakes maneuvers. After a series of pit maneuvers, the suspect, Matthew Gaskin, crashed into a power pole. Sirens blared and the sound of impact filled the air. "Get out of the car! Get out!" Police shouts echoed, demanding the suspect surrender.
Please turn off the vehicle and put your hands on the steering wheel. Please turn off the vehicle and put your hands on the steering wheel. Please turn off the
Gaskin was arrested without further incident. The event serves as a stark reminder of the dangers inherent in police work and the effectiveness of tactical skills in bringing criminals to justice. During a police pursuit, driver James Scruggins had a long gun in his vehicle. He does have a long gun. Got to be careful. He's got a long gun. The alerts blared, foreshadowing an extremely dangerous and tense situation about to unfold. During the pursuit, James Scruggins lost control and crashed his truck into a police car. Although there's no audio of gunfire from Scruggins in this clip, the visuals and ambient sounds indicate a high-speed, perilous confrontation. The sight of the truck ramming the police vehicle created a massive impact, pushing everything to the limit. Luckily, no one was injured in the incident. Scruggins has been indicted on 1 count of felony assault with a deadly weapon and 1 count of domestic violence. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the constant dangers police face and the necessity of decisive action to ensure safety for both officers and the community. A wanted man used a stolen vehicle to flee from police in Lake County. A high-speed chase began as police were determined to apprehend the dangerous offender.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired, Lake! Shots fired! I'm in the traffic in the opposite lane. Crossing back over. Headed toward downtown.
Lake, keep going, be quiet. Hold on. Lake, shots fired. He shot fired. Shot him. You get at the cemetery.
The suspect's pickup truck crashed into a wall. Shots fired! Shots fired! Gunfire erupted repeatedly as police tried to subdue the subject. He shot fire, shot at me again by the cemetery. A chaotic and dangerous scene where every second could be life or death. He's out on the ground, hands on his head.
Shots fired, shots fired. Thanks for saying. Every message out, shots fired, stand by. 10-4. What's your call fired? Shots fired, shots fired.
Try saying the device name like Coke or USB. Main menu.
The suspect was ultimately taken into custody. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the constant dangers police face and the necessity of decisive action to protect the community.
What's going on? Hey, 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 get down, get down, get down, get down!
On April 20th, 2021, Columbus police responded to a call reporting an attempted stabbing at a residence. When officers arrived, they encountered an active fight unfolding, one that would quickly escalate into a tragic outcome. Hey, hey, get down, get down! The initial shouts signaling chaos.
Never mind, thank you. Hey! What's going on? Hey, what's going on? Hey, 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 get down, get down, get down, get down! No, you ain't shoot my fucking baby! You shot my baby! You shot my baby! I swear to God, you killed me!
The suspect, identified as Makia Bryant, was seen wrestling another woman to the ground while holding what appeared to be a knife. In response to the immediate threat, an officer opened fire. Hey, what's going on? Hey, she had a knife. She just went at her.
All right, what do you need me to do? What do you need me to do? What do you need me to do? All right.
Police quickly rendered first aid, and Bryant was transported to the hospital in stable condition. The incident serves as a heartbreaking reminder of the split-second decisions officers must make when confronted with danger, and the tragic consequences that can unfold when violence erupts.
To the hospital in stable condition.
That's a fucking girl. Yeah. Now she's dead for what? You just got over this shit. Just watch it.
On November 11th, 2023, Westside Patrol officers spotted a stolen vehicle and attempted to initiate a traffic stop. The suspect refused to comply and fled at high speed, eventually crashing into multiple vehicles. When officers arrived at the scene, the suspect made a sudden and aggressive move, escalating the situation even further.
Let me see your fucking hands now. Let me see your fucking hands. Down, this way, bro, this way. Come on.
Move your fucking hands now! Officers' shouts rang out as the suspect suddenly opened fire. Officer Gibson was struck by gunfire. A nearby citizen, along with another officer, quickly pulled him to safety. A rescue officer immediately provided first aid. Meanwhile, the suspect exited the stolen vehicle and attempted to hijack another car. Heat! 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 Gunfire erupted continuously.
Silver car is occupied by a random citizen, so be careful. We're in the middle of the freeway at the 610 entrance. The whole road's closed down. Guy right here. Don't get it! You got a shot? Yeah, he's grabbing it! Don't grab that gun! You good? You good? I was stuck up there, dude. One more in the car moving! Got fire 4 seconds down. One more in the car! So the silver car is occupied by a guy. The white car, I think, that's the suspect car. I think there's one more in there. Okay. I think there's 2. Is he good?
Officers opened fire on the suspect as he fled. He attempted to reach another vehicle but appeared to be wounded and collapsed to the ground. Officers moved in, safely took him into custody, and immediately began providing first aid. He was transported by Houston Fire Department paramedics to Ben Taub General Hospital, where he was later pronounced dead. The incident serves as a heartbreaking reminder of the dangers police officers face and the ultimate cost of violence.
I got one suspect down. He's still moving. You okay?
Clear, officer down. All units be around. Area's closed.
Run back there.
Clear, 1934 is clear.
Clear the car. Move up slow. Hey, stay right there. Move up slow. All right. Go with you. All right, move it up. Take it slow. I'm with you.
On August 16th, 2023, Louisville Metro Police responded to a home in the 1700 block of Bowling Avenue after neighbors reported hearing a woman crying for help. When officers arrived, they spotted a woman in distress at a second-story window. An urgent, intense rescue effort immediately began.
Pretty good now? Yeah. I got a bunch of loot. That was hot. Look at that boy. Which window she kick out? ¿Es el mayor final? He did what?
Sorry, sir. I know he's got it on his chest. He's got it on his chest. Thank you so much.
Police attempted to enter the home through the front door, but it was obstructed. Acting quickly, they located a ladder and climbed through the second-story window to reach the woman. The situation demanded coordination and speed, as every second was precious. Which window? Everybody get back! Everybody get back! Police shouts echoed, directing everyone to keep clear. On June 20th, 2024, a Florida Highway Patrol officer spotted a white four-door Mercedes with dark-tinted windows. After running the vehicle's tags and checking the registered owner's information, the officer discovered the owner had a suspended license and an active warrant for the tag. The officer promptly activated his lights to initiate a traffic stop.
Hit the shoulder at the 140
The officer instructed the driver to pull over to the right shoulder using the loudspeaker system, but the driver instead accelerated. Vehicle is refusing to stop and is attempting to flee, requesting backup assistance. The vehicle began driving recklessly on the outer shoulder, weaving in and out of traffic. The driver then crossed all left lanes and made an illegal U-turn across the grass median, further escalating the situation. The driver began driving recklessly on the outer shoulder, weaving in and out of traffic, then crossed all left lanes and made an illegal U-turn across the grass median, escalating the situation alarmingly. Green light! Green light! Green light! Sirens wailed and engines roared, creating an extremely tense scene. The driver not only ignored the commands, but also accelerated, pushing the vehicle to dangerous speeds. The officer continuously updated dispatch on the Mercedes' speed and direction, while awaiting support from other units. After a series of close calls, the car finally came to a halt. Police swiftly drew their weapons and began issuing commands to the driver and passengers inside. After the individuals in the car were taken into custody, the police conducted a thorough search and uncovered a variety of drugs hidden inside. The driver was identified as Derek Danovan Taylor Jr. and the passenger as William Wade Woods. Following a medical evaluation, both were transported to the St. Lucie County Jail. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.